In 1863, Henry Royce was born into a world of modest means. His early life in a small English village was shaped by hardship after his father's business failed and the family sank into poverty. To help make ends meet, young Henry delivered newspapers. The weight of responsibility came early, but so did his resilience and work ethic. At 14, a life-changing opportunity arrived, an apprenticeship at the Great Northern Railway. Surrounded by locomotives and machinery, Henry discovered his passion for engineering. Years later, with savings scraped together, he founded F. H. Royce and Company in Manchester, repairing electric fittings and sowing the seeds of his future empire. Frustrated by the flaws in his French car, Royce didn't complain. He rebuilt it. The result was a quieter, smoother vehicle unlike anything seen before. That car caught the attention of Charles Rolls, a wealthy car dealer and aristocrat. Their handshake marked the start of a legendary partnership. In 1906, the Silver Ghost debuted, a marvel of silence and performance. It redefined luxury and placed Rolls-Royce at the pinnacle of automotive excellence. During World War I, the company built engines and armored vehicles, proving its strength and innovation. Royce's legacy lives on. In every purr of a